right, friends, with this, we are all set to begin with today's Pathshala session. And in fact, it's a Maha Pathshala session. So, as I was saying, today's session is going to be special and talking about the topic which today's session we are going to discuss. You all know, like at Next Level Education, there's been a topic which we have been discussing for a while, and it is perhaps one of the few companies which have covered this topic so much in depth, which is about working on the business. So that is something which we have been discussing a lot in our programs, in our different sessions, and also another very important part of working on the business is creating systems, which we have again spoken a lot about. So considering all these topics, today we'll be having a discussion on 10x business growth. How could you grow your business 10x times using these strategies based on these concepts and very more interesting things also. So to set the context for today's session, I would request Shailendra sir to come. So Shailendra sir is someone also who has a lot of knowledge when it comes to building systems, and sir has also 10 to 15 years experience in corporate and the best person to guide you to set the context for today's session.
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Shreya. Thank you for wonderful daily declarations first. Friends, let me tell you this daily oath, daily declaration we do for every webinar, every meeting that we do. And that's for a reason. The reason is simple, that reminds us for our purpose, for our motivation, for our inspiration. So welcome friends, welcome for this Maha Pathshala session. Yes, it's today's Maha Pathshala session, because it is going to be very very special session today. It will give you lot of clarity. So friends, हम सबको पता है last 3, 5, 10 years में इंडस्ट्री अच्छी तरह से ग्रो की है. इनफैक्ट 1 लाख करोड़ से लेके 80 लाख करोड़ तक का जर्नी इंडस्ट्री ने पार किया है. बट हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू ट्रैक लास्ट 3 years, 5 years, 10 years इंडस्ट्री का जो ग्रोथ हुआ है, उस ग्रोथ के मुकाबले में आपके बिजनेस का ग्रोथ कितना हुआ है, कितना रहा है? एंड दैट नॉट गोइंग टू बी द क्वेश्चन टुडे, बिकॉज वी केम हियर फॉर अ रीजन. एक क्यूरियोसिटी के वजह से हम लोग आए हुए यहाँ पे. दैट क्यूरियोसिटी इज नथिंग बट how to grow our business by 10x. Yes friends, you heard it right, 10x business growth कैसे लानी है, what it takes to take our business from this level, reference level आज का अगर पकड़ते हैं, आज के लेवल से 10x ग्रोथ लाने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, what clarity we need to have, what kind of person we need to become, what kind of systems we need to have, what kind of team we need to have. आज हम इसी सब बातों पे पूरा फोकस डाल के क्लैरिटी लेने वाले हैं. एंड वो क्लैरिटी देने के लिए हमारे पास आज है जिनको मैं स्पीकर के तौर पे इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहूंगा. मेनी ऑफ अस ऑलरेडी नो हिम, बट फॉर द सेक ऑफ जो पीपल न्यूली ज्वाइंड है आज टुडे, सो उनके लिए मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहूंगा आज के स्पीकर्स को. एंड आवर स्पीकर टुडे इज नन अदर देन मिस्टर पुट्टास्वामी गौड़ा. हम इनको प्यार से स्वामी सर बोलते हैं. ही इज को फाउंडर एंड डायरेक्टर ऑफ नेक्स्ट लेवल एजुकेशन. ऑल्सो ही इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ऑथर. अमेजोन पे जो बेस्ट सेलिंग बुक आया था, यूर IQ इज नॉट इक्वल टू यूर FQ, उसके भी ऑथर रह चुके हैं. ही इज ऑल्सो ट्रेनर. ही इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ट्रेनर इन our industry today. He is also best coach, best mentor, you can say. So without wasting any time, I would like to invite Mr. Puttasamay Gowda to take this session ahead for giving us a clarity.
Thank you, Shailendra ji. Thank you, Shreya. Thank you for that wonderful start and prayer and also introduction. So can you confirm, Shailendra ji or Malti, whether I am audible, visible? Welcome everyone for this awesome and a special episode of Maha Pathshala, a special session on business acceleration, business growth. I see a lot of our very own students being part of our MFP program, EFP program, UFP program, Bird Workshop, the Bird System. So CFP program. So we have all the people today, and I have given instruction to my team. I want to see all these people again back in next level. So many people have some of them are joining after a 1 year gap, after 6 months gap, after 2 years gap. So good to see all of you. And if you are there, attended all our session, and request all of you to keep your video on because जहाँ पे अगर आप लक्ष्मी आना चाहती है, and अगर आप दरवाजा नहीं खोलते हो तो लक्ष्मी दूसरे के पास चला जाता है. सो अपॉर्चुनिटी वांट्स टू कम टू यू, द लर्निंग वांट्स टू कम टू यू, एंड इफ यू आर नॉट देयर टू रिसीव इट, अगर आपने दरवाजा बंद करके अंधेरा करके रखा है, आप अंधेरे में बैठे हो, तो लाइफ और बिजनेस भी अंधेरे में जाएगा. सो आई वांट ऑल ऑफ यू टू कम टू द रोशनी, ब्राइटनेस आपके लाइफ में लेके आई है, एनर्जी लेके आई है ऑल ऑफ यू. सो थैंक यू. एंड विकास जी ड्राइव कर रहे हैं तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तो पहुंच के कॉल करेंगे. विकास का अलग लुक देख के अच्छा लगा, डिफरेंट लुक. गुड गुड. Good to see all of you, and we have a lot of friends here. Thank you so much for all of you for joining this wonderful session. So, without wasting further time, we'll be starting the session. Before I go ahead, some ground rules for this session so that you can get maximum. You are investing your time, and we believe your time is very, very precious. And if you are investing your time, you should get maximum from this session. And it's my guarantee that you have attended this session by the time we end. After, normally this Pathshala session is up to 8:30 ka hota hai. So till 8:30 we do. But today I want your permission. Maybe if required at 10-15 minutes, we might require your permission to agar लगेगा तो एंड में. सो इफ यू आर ऑल ओके, अगर 10-15 मिनट्स एक्स्ट्रा इन्वेस्ट करने को आपके बिजनेस ग्रोथ के लिए, टाइप इन द चैट बॉक्स विथ यू WU. I'll try to finish by 8:30, but if required 10-15 minutes, I will be requiring more because I don't want to stop in between. So thank you so much. And moving ahead, जो आज का जो सेशंस में what we are going to discuss is all about how to grow your business by 10x. आप 3 years में कर सकते हो, 5 years में कर सकते हो, 10 years में कर सकते हो. But the point is, you have to operate like 10x person. Whatever you do in life, 10x person. So that is what we are going to discover. And during this session, we will be keeping our chat box on. My request to all of you, when I ask that time, I want you to participate in the chat box because that gives me energy and I can give you more. If you give me energy, I can give you more. And also, respectfully responsibly use the chat box. I know that आप लोग फ्रस्ट्रेट हुए रहेंगे, बहुत कुछ चलता रहेगा, क्लाइंट का फ्रस्ट्रेशन रहेगा, आपके अलग अलग फ्रस्ट्रेशन रहेंगे. डोंट कम एंड स्पॉइल द चैट बॉक्स. If you are here, give positive energy. The way you do one thing, the way you do everything. If you are spreading negative energy and negative energy pass करते हो, आपके लाइफ में भी negative energy लेके आओगे. So be mindful, responsible for that. And if anybody is spamming the chat box with their frustration, my team is going to remove them. Okay. So because we are investing our time and you're going to get valuable lessons for your business. And there will be a lot of questions you will come across during the session. So if you ask me question in between, I will not be able to take your question, but definitely at the end of the session, we are going to give a lot of time for your questions. So whatever questions you have, I want you to, that's why we have asked you to join with the pen and notebook so that you can note all your questions and keep it ready. So we'll take all your questions at the end. Okay. So, and whatever I am going to share here, let me tell you, I am not God. I am not the ultimate Baba and, the ultimate this thing. Whatever I'm going to share, I'm going to share from what I have learned, what we have learned, and what we have implemented, and what result we got. And that's what we have been teaching to our students, and all our students are getting the benefit of that. Many of them have grown their business already 5 times, 7 times, 10 times. So, agar open mindly, if you sit with open mind and if you learn, definitely it will help you also. And if you don't agree, that is not relevant, that's okay. You don't have to agree with everything that I say. You can have your different way. You can be expert. You can be doing better than what we are saying. You keep that with you if that is working for you. But this is my experience. This is our experience. We are sharing that doing the business. Yes. So again, coming to the doing the business. So definitely everyone will get some value, whoever you are. So just keep open mind. And again, coming to the language part, I'm going to use 70 to 80%. Thank you, Ramakrishnan. 70 to 80% I'm going to use English, and about 20-30% I will use Hindi because that is the natural style of our conversation. But definitely whichever language I use, don't worry, you will get the message. This is my guarantee. Okay, so we are there, you will get the message. So we have all of our students here. So they have been part of this. They know that, what kind of work we do. Okay, so with that, now let me share my presentation. Shailendraji and Praveen, can you confirm my voice, my video, is everything okay? Any problem, any challenge?
Perfect, sir, perfect. It's all right.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, friends. So welcome to this special session, 10x Business Growth Strategies. So discover the simple steps to grow, scale, and accelerate your business by 10x. So what all it takes, as Shailendra said, क्या आपको लगता है अगर 10x से ग्रो करना है आपके बिजनेस को, तो what all you have to do, what all clarity you need to have, what all system you need to have, that's what we're going to discuss in this today's session. Now, first thing, before we go there, I believe in one thing, if you don't ask, you will not get. So first thing I want to ask, how many of you want to grow your business by 10x? So if you want to grow your business by 10x, type in the chat box 10x. Awesome. So everybody, and I asked this question many times in the same way for client also I ask, how many of you want to achieve financial freedom? Everybody says that they want to be financially free. But the fact is, there is the breaking news. What is the breaking news? This is what I have learned in last 20 plus years of being in this industry, interacting with thousands of people, training thousands of advisors and investors. This is what I have learned in life. That is, you don't get what you desire. That's the breaking news. All of us, everybody wants to achieve financial freedom. Everybody wants to become freedompreneur. Everybody wants to have this and that and this. But this is what I have learned. Even I was wishing, I was dreaming कि मेरे पास ये होना चाहिए, वो होना चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए. Just because I'm wishing, I'm dreaming, you'll not get it. Everybody says ना सपना देखो मिल जाएगा. सिर्फ सपना देखने से नहीं मिलेगा. सपने के पास जाना पड़ता है. So in life, you don't get what you desire. You get what you deserve. Whatever you got today, whatever you have today, whatever business you have achieved today, whatever AUM you got today, whatever income you are earning today, whatever success you got today, wherever you are in life, why you are where you are, this is exactly what you deserve. This is exactly what you deserve. And that's why you are there. इससे ज्यादा नहीं मिलेगा, इससे कम नहीं मिलेगा. You will get only what you deserve. And everybody, this is the fact. So many people just keep saying, goal आपका, you need to have a goal, you need to have a dream, you need to have aspiration, everything. That's all said, that's all right. But very few people tell the fact, the breaking news. You don't get what you desire. You get what you deserve. So how can we becoming more deserving person? How can we becoming more deserving person? And that is what in today's session I'm going to take you through. So how you can become more deserving person, as I told you in the beginning only, if you stay till the end, अगले 60-70 मिनट जो आप बैठोगे और ओपन माइंड से सीखोगे, इतना मेरा गारंटी है, आपके जो नॉलेज जो आप आए हो यहाँ से एटलीस्ट 10x नॉलेज लेके यहाँ से जाओ. You will get 10x knowledge before you go from here. Okay. And some of our students, जो people who have attended MFP, EFP, UFP, BIRD, everyone. So this is something, it's a summary of all the courses that we do. A crux of everything that we do at next level that I'm doing it today. I'm going to introduce to you today. Okay. So that is what you will get. If not 10x, at least 5x person बन के जाओगे. If not 5x, at least 3x person बन के जाओगे. If not 3x, at least 2x person बन के जाओगे. Definitely, जैसे आप यहाँ पे आए थे, अगर वैसे नहीं जाओगे. Definitely you will have a improved and better version of yourself. This is my guarantee. If you pay attention and sit throughout this session. Okay. So with that guarantee, let me move ahead. Now, everybody wants to, be in the top. Everybody wants to be, achieve 100 crores, 1000 crores, 500 crores. And everybody wants to be growing their business by 10x. And everybody wants to achieve financial freedom if you ask your clients. But the fact, the reality, harsh reality of our industry, इसका मैंने short video भी डाला था जो, social media में शायद आपने देखा होगा. Okay, this is the harsh reality of our industry. There are almost 1.7 lakh MFDs who have taken ARN or license. Okay, out of that, it's very sad to see that only 33,000 people are active. Only 33,000 people are active, which is less than 20% of the total MFDs that they have taken the license. जो आज valid ARNs है, जो valid ARNs है, उसका मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. जो मर गए ARN गवर्नमेंट में पड़ा हुआ है, जो जिसने रिन्यू नहीं किया, वो मैं नहीं बात कर रहा हूँ. एंड इवन देयर वाज वन मोर स्टैटिस्टिक्स आई सॉ लास्ट इन 26 लास्ट फाइनेंशियल ईयर देयर आर 29,000 people have joined the new MFDs have joined the industry, have got the new ARN. 29,000 people. But look at the statistics. इतने सालों से म्यूचुअल फंड इंडस्ट्री चल रहे हैं, but only 33,000 people are active. And that too, उसमें से अगर आप देखेंगे, only less than 2% people are above 100 crores, which is close to about 3,065 people. And only 7.5% people are more than 25 crores AUM. Only 7.5%. Remaining 92.5% people are less than 25 CR. And that too, more than 50% MFDs. AUM is just between 1 to 5. So if you look at the statistics, 90% plus people are struggling. इतना बड़ा इंडस्ट्री है, 29,000 crores का almost 30,000 crores का SIP बुक आ रहा है, फाइनेंशियलाइजेशन हुआ है, lot of people are म्यूचुअल फंड सही है, इंडस्ट्री इज ग्रोइंग, एवरीथिंग इज ग्रोइंग, ऑलमोस्ट 80 लाख करोड़ का इंडस्ट्री बन चुका है. बट look at the numbers. This is the harsh reality. And ये जब statistics देखने के बाद, I wanted to do a different topic. But after seeing these statistics, I thought of, let me do a special session for all our Pathshala and all our next level members who are connected somewhere or the other, directly, indirectly, and communicate this message कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है. ये जो statistics है बहुत इतना अच्छा इंडस्ट्री है, लेकिन people are not scaling, people are not growing. What is the challenge? So now, before I go ahead, ये क्या है, why it is so, why more than 90% people are struggling, we will discover that. Before that, let me, Malti, can you run the poll? I want you to honestly answer this, because anyway, आपने किसने क्या आंसर किया वो किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा. Be honest with your answer. If you answer this poll with honest, एक आइडिया आएगा कि हम जो बात कर रहे हैं आपके लिए, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली इवन माई लैंग्वेज, माई एग्जाम्पल्स आई विल चेंज based on the people who are sitting here, uske basis. So I want you to answer this poll. Malti, have you run the poll?
Yes.
Yeah. So answer, you are in which club currently? Currently you are in which club? Are you in the Elite Few 100 crores plus club? Are you in the established MFD 25 to 100 crores club? Are you in the survival club 5 crores to 25 crores somehow survive हो रहा है, manage हो रहा है? Or are you in the beginner or struggling club less than 5 crores? Please answer with honesty, and there are 289 people who are eligible to vote in this session. I want all of you to answer this. We have very mixed audience. Very good to see these numbers. So look at this. So we have 18% out of 196 people who have voted today. We have 36 people who are above 100 crores. That's good to see that. 36 people, 18%. So 20% people. हमारे audience में at least 20% people above 100 crores. So that is the good news. And then established MFDs between 25 crores to 100 club में 34% है. So अगर मैं लेता हूँ 25 and above, 34 plus 18. So 34 plus 18 is 52%. So industry standard से at least next level education में जो connected है लोग, कहीं ना कहीं these people are in the better position. And the survival club 5 crores to 25 crores 30%. So that means if you see 50 to 82% कुछ ना कुछ business है. Some business is there. And about 18% maybe beginner हो सकता है, maybe part timer हो सकता है. So we can completely understand. So this is the statistics. So अगर ओवरऑल इंडस्ट्री की अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं इन बिटवीन में. तो अगर आप कोई भी क्लब में हो, उसको नेक्स्ट क्लब में कैसे जाना है, that today's session will help you to reach the next level, because you are at next level. So today's session will help you to reach the next level. Okay. So yes, so we'll stop this thing. So now let's go ahead. Now I want to ask you, more than 90% people जो हमने statistics देखा struggling, distributors are struggling, stuck below 25 crores. So why this is happening? ऐसा क्यों है? Why they are struggling? Can you type in the chat box? क्या reason हो सकता है? Yes, so ये सब है because same industry है, सभी लोगों के लिए people जो the industry is same. Some people are successful and some people are struggling. So let us see what are the reasons why people are struggling. It is not a talent. It is not the competition. It is not the luck. It is not the market. It is not the economy. It is not Trump. It is not Iran. It is not Israel. Let me tell you. In spite of all these reasons, there are some people who are above 100 crores who are growing to 40%, 50% year on year, 30% year on year. But some people are not even growing by 10%. Then what is the reason? The reason why they are struggling is simply because they are not from the ICSE board or group. They are not from the ICSE board or group. So how many of you are from ICSE? ICSE से पढ़ाई करके आए? Can you type in the chat box if you are from ICSE? ICSE. So today we are going to discover ICSE से आने वाले people who are from ICSE, people who are following ICSE, how they have become successful. Okay, that is what we are going to discover today. Yes, no CBSE, no me, no why है क्या 9, okay, from Bihar board, no problem. PSPB, government school college, PSCB, ICSE, wonderful. Great. Friends, we are not discussing about education board here. Okay, we are not discussing about education board. Agar if you go from these parameters, okay, I am from a vernacular medium, studied in a small village. I don't know what ICSE का भी क्या हुआ था, पता नहीं था. Okay, and today I'm managing 3 verticals. We have 30 plus team members. 3 vertical, 3 business manage कर रहे. Okay, so मैं आपके सामने नहीं खड़ा होता था if this was the criteria. Okay, so then we are not talking about the school board. Then what are we talking? Then what we mean by ICSE. So that is what is the core learning today we're going to take from here. So who are these ICSE people? ये जो ICSE people है, जो top 10% people who achieved the success, even your client, we have built wealth of 5 crores, 10 crores or successful people are earning well. They're all following this ICSE. So what is this ICSE? That is what we are going to discover in the next part of the session. So before that, there are 2 ways of living a life or running a business. लाइफ में कुछ भी करने का 2 तरीका है. ये भी मैंने सीखा है और मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया है, and I've seen many people following this, operating their life or business in this 2 way. Okay, so what are the two way? First way is called default life. Default का मतलब क्या है? They are not making things happen. Things are happening with them. They are not getting the client. Clients are coming to them. पता नहीं किस जन्म का पुण्य था, किस जन्म का what they have done in the past karma. People are they don't have any lead management system. They don't have any lead generation system strategy. Only incoming. इसको बोलते हैं कर्मा मार्केटिंग, जो मेरा गुरु से मैंने सीखा है बिजनेस का. It is called karma marketing. Whatever past karma you have done, because of that you are getting references. That is called default life. Default way of managing the business. Why 90% people are struggling? Because they are following, they are operating their business, they are operating their life default, on default mode. The people who are 10% people who are successful, who are doing well, growing well, they operate their life. They're called designed life. They don't wait for things to happen. They don't wait for the clients to come. They find the clients. They go, they create the leads. They do all the activities that is required to grow the business. So if you operate out of default life, then you cannot decide what you will get. जो destiny ने जो decide किया, कर्मा ने जो decide किया, वो मिलेगा. If you operate the designed life, I told you beginning, you don't get what you desire in life. You get what you deserve in life. So if you want to become deserving of, अगर आपको 100 crores का business चाहिए, अगर आपको 10 lakh rupees trail income चाहिए, if you need 10 lakh rupees trail income per month, you need to design your life. You need to operate and do all the things what 10 lakhs people, income earning people do, what 100 crores people do, what 1000 crores people operate. If you want that, otherwise it just only it remains a desire. You need to change. First thing, first learning, you need to change. From today and from this moment onwards, don't let things happen to you. You make things happen. And anybody who have become successful in life, किसी ने भी जो success achieve किया है, कोई भी level पे, कोई भी field में, in any industry, any success, any result they got, they have all designed their life. Mindfully they operate their life. They control things. They don't just leave it to the situation, circumstances. They create the situation, they create the circumstance, they attract the type of clients they want to work with. They don't work with what they comes to you. I don't work with all the clients that comes to me. I sit with only those people whom I want to sit with. I have a criteria, we have a segmentation, and all our MFP, EFP students have learned that. ABCD client analysis, mania, all this formula you have learned. This is called design life. So choice is up to you. If you want to become the top 10% AUM, your business, your life, anywhere, any success, you have to start operating your life, your business in a designed manner. Create the day, design the week, set the goal, and mindfully track it and follow. That is called designed life. There is तीसरा भी एक method है जो top 1% लोग follow कर, and we follow that. Can anyone guess what is the third way of life? कोई बता सकता है chat box में? Yes, I will not be able to take. आप जो भी chat box में लिखा है मैंने देख नहीं रहा हूँ, so इसलिए don't mind. I am not saying whatever questions you have, please hold your question. We are there for lifetime. So next level is for lifetime, and at the end we will have enough time for your Q&A, and also उसके बाद भी हम रहेंगे, अगर किसी को रहेंगे, पूरा हमारा टीम भी आपको आंसर करेंगे. Distinguished life, impact on people's lives. Okay, भगवान वो impact on people's lives, systematic, disciplined life, don't know, not clear, action लेने वाले, दया भाई, action लेने वाले, superb, disciplined life, dynamic, designing, desired life तो already we discussed. So let me reveal what is the top 1% people जो लाइफ में ऑपरेट करते हैं. Top 10% people design their life. Top 1% people, they operate the third type of life or business, that is designed by default. Hello, ये बहुत बड़ा मीनिंग है. What this meaning is, it's a design by default. आपने डिजाइन किया है, but it operates like default. Example, you have designed that you want to go for a walking. That is your design. It's a goal, right? You have designed, you want to go for a walking. जो डिजाइन करके बैठने से नहीं होता है, उसको डिफॉल्ट मोड में डालना पड़ता है. How you do the default? Setting the time. Every day 7 o'clock, every day 8 o'clock, I will go for a walking. No matter what. Blocking your calendar, blocking your time is a default. मतलब 7 o'clock means this person यहाँ पे कहाँ पे रहेगा? It's expected, default है. He will be going for walking. He will not be available. Have you seen some people always, उस particular point of time में they are doing that only you can predict. It is a predictable situation. About certain people, you can predict exactly what they will be doing, where they are, and क्या करते रह सकते हैं. They are called design by default. Hello, ये बहुत बड़ा मीनिंग है what I am saying. Like every day, अभी I want to do lot of things. मेरे बहुत सारे जैसे बोलते हैं ना, what you desire you don't get, what you deserve you get, and what you deserve बनना है तो मुझे, if you have a big goal that you want to be 100 crores, you want to be 1000 crores, how many times in a day you think about the 100 crores and you think about 1000 crores? Tell me. How many days you repeat that? What action you take? What are you thinking? What are you doing to reach that 100 crores, 1000 crores? You know how I operate? Every day morning मैं लिखता हूँ. And most of our students are following that. We call WRTS. Write, read, tick, sign. पहला तो आपको क्या चाहिए डिजाइन करो, देन उसको सिस्टम में डाल. हेलो, आर यू ऑल हियर एवरीवन? डोंट गो टू फ्यूचर, बी इन प्रेजेंट. दिस इज जस्ट अ बिगिनिंग माय फ्रेंड. अभी मैं वार्म अप हो रहा हूँ. व्हाटएवर वी आर talking so far, are you following, are you finding it useful? If you're finding it useful, type in the chat box useful. अभी तक मैं आज का टॉपिक में गया ही नहीं. Awesome. So not just desire, you need to deserve, and deserve बनने के लिए you need to don't operate default life. Don't do everything default. सुबह क्यों उठे, रात को मरे नहीं. Why we wake up? क्योंकि रात को because many people who didn't wake up in the morning. कल जो रात को सोए थे, you got up. WRTS is write, read, tick and sign. Your aspiration जो goal है, जो भी आपका डिजाइन करके उसको लिखना होता है. I write every day 2 pages and all my students know that. This is how you set yourself. Design by default. You become the most predictable person, and when you become most predictable person, you become the most trustworthy person. And when you become most trustworthy person, anybody will trust and give you money. Crores of rupees to manage, crores of rupees to invest. People will invest money on you. People are investing money on me because of my system. If you want to become trustworthy, because trust is the biggest thing in our industry. जहां trust है, जहां पैसा है, जहां भरोसा है, जहां वो पे वहीं पे पैसा आता है. अगर वो क्रिएट करना है, you need to become the most predictable person. You know that you are exactly operate like this. And उसके लिए डिजाइन बाय डिफॉल्ट मोड में आपको ऑपरेट करना पड़ेगा. दिस इज अगेन आई कैन डू फुल डे सेशन. I have to complete lot of other stuff. So I want to stop here about this topic. If you have question, just hold on. It's just a beginning, my friend. If you are in front of me, it is just a beginning. A long way to go, lot of things to learn. बहुत सारा journey and we are there, Next Level Education, committed to transform your life, because looking at the statistics, only 10% people are doing well and 90% people are struggling, and by God's grace we have got so much from industry and इतना सारे हमको मिला हुआ है. So that is the reason we want to give it back to the community. We have a larger mission, larger purpose. We don't have to do this what we are doing. मेरा हमारा like you know शैलेंद्र जी, प्रवीण, ये सब मेरे पार्टनर से भी are already, हमारा पूरे टीम, इवन धर्म सर 300-400 करोड़ का एसेट मैनेज कर रहे हैं. काफी है. जो हमारा डिजायर्स है लाइफ जीने के लिए, you know that, but we are doing is because we want to give back to the community. We want to transform your life. We want to impact your life. And let me tell you, I am going to tell, talk some, talk some hard truth. आपको खड़वा लगेगा. You may not like it, but that is good for you. We are not here to impress you, my friends. We are here to impact on your life, on your business. If you ask me, यहाँ पे गुड़ी बात करो, अच्छा बात करके जाओ, वाह करेंगे, appreciate. I don't want that. If I do that and if you don't get the result, what is the use? आप सभी को आज रात को सोना नहीं चाहिए. रात को when you are sleeping, my voice should be in your brain. तब जाके impact आएगा. And I'm sure if you even one lesson, if you take from this today's session, only one lesson, I am going to give you so many lessons. Even if you take one lesson from today's session, आज मैं आपके सामने इधर खड़ा रह के जो बात कर रहा हूँ, I will feel that I have done my duty. Okay? So, thank you Sukumar ji, good to see you. All right. So, you need to operate, not just design life. You need to create a design by default. Everything by design. हमारा पूरा वीकली कैलेंडर होता है, आगे मैं बताऊंगा सिस्टम में. We know that every day कितना बजे हम what we are doing. All my team member, all my management sticks, everyone knows where we are at what time. That's called system we follow. Design by default. We design and put it to a system. So automatically that happens. Now, this is the main topic. So we have come to the main topic now. So ICSE, we saw that people who are top 10% people who are successful, who are in any field, not just our business, even your clients who have achieved that 10%, जो wealth है, top 10% wealth category में आते हैं, and anybody who have achieved the 10% success, top 10% में, they all follow, they have inbuilt, they have these qualities, ICSE qualities. They operate their life using this framework, ICSE framework. I am using it on all the people who think that, who are successful, they are all कहीं ना कहीं, if not 100%, 80%, 70%, they are following this framework. This is, my experience है. मैंने जो लोगों का इतना, I have studied so many people, autobiography, I have read so many books, I have attended so many trainings, I have interacted with so many students, I have coached many people. And उसमें से जब मैंने निकाला कि if somebody has become successful, why they have become successful, and somebody has become failure, why they have become failure, this is our own trademark. ये मेरा जो trademark है, जो मैंने सीखा है लाइफ में, जो सक्सेस के लिए कोई भी फॉलो करेगा, in any field you can apply this for. When I do client presentation, I follow this. So if you master these 4 elements, that is ICSE, just one outcome अगर आपको जो चाहिए, that is what is the today's promise. You can design and build a business that grows 10x and can run without. And we are already doing that. We started, if not 100%, at least we are in that journey within 7-10 years. Not 7-10 years, 2 to 3 years. May even if I'm not there in the business, my business will run. So what are these 4 elements? So let's deep dive into this. So first one is I. And some of my students who are already part of this, I know that you know this. I want you to just hold on. I want to ask the people who don't know, who are not part of this, according to you, क्या लगता है? What is the first element of success के लिए important है? Anything you want to achieve in life, what do you need? Type in the chat box. So I means intention. So anybody who ever becomes successful, they have become successful because they have the clear intention to be in the top 10%, to be in that 100 crores club, to be in that 1000 crores club. If you don't have intention, how can you reach there? If you don't have an intention to like go to office tomorrow, do you think you will go to office just because सुबह उठ गए तो office पहुंच जाओगे? You need to have an intention. If you don't have intention to eat food, do you think it will go automatically into your mouth? You need to have intention. Anything, anybody who has done, first they need to have the intention. Anything you want to achieve, 10x business achieve करना है, every year 10x से grow करना है, then you need to have a clear intention that I want to grow by 10x. First thing is intention. That's the first element of ICSE. So what kind of intention is required? Is clear intention. Just hope. Hoping नहीं, just hope नहीं है. Committed decision. And what else? Do or die attitude. करो या मरो. That is the kind of intention required. Suppose if you see army people, if they have any mission, they don't go like, let's try. This is how we operate in life. Let's try. There is nothing called let's try. Either do or die. When we operate, let's try, let me tell you, that's a sure shot of failing because you are not committed. Anybody who have become successful, anything they want to achieve, they need to have this attitude, do or die attitude. करो या मरो एटीट्यूड, अदरवाइज आप अचीव नहीं कर पाएंगे. हाफ मेजर्स प्रोड्यूसेस हाफ रिजल्ट्स. हाफ हार्टेड वर्क will get half-hearted only. Next, no option B. If you want to achieve anything, you have to kill all the options. Only option A. There is no option. Always we want to have options. Like वो option रख के फिर आगे बढ़ेंगे. And इसीलिए many people lose the opportunity. Many people waste lot of years in their life because they will always want to be comfortable. They want to be in the comfort zone. Option B चाहिए उनको. Option B रहेगा तो मैं ये करूंगा. Otherwise कुछ हो गए तो what will happen? So if you want to achieve success, anything in life, you have to operate like this. No option B. Remove all the backup plan. And when you operate this attitude में, इस attitude में जब operate करोगे, then sure shot 80-90% probability है that you will achieve the success. Just think, there are 2 situations. One, let's try, let's hope situation, operating the life or operating the business. And दूसरा है committed, no option B. We have to do. That is the kind of option. Way back, when I was in doing LIC successful, एक branch manager के पास गया था, like this year if I don't achieve MDRT, I will resign from LIC agency. मैंने लिख के देख के आया था. मेरे पास कोई choice नहीं था. Can you do something like that? For that you need to be crazy. Only crazy people achieve that kind of top 1%. Comfortable people जो operate करेगा वो नहीं कर will not be able to achieve. Okay, so you need to operate like as there is no option B. And last, you have to operate like this is the reason you are alive. That is the kind of life you need to operate. Like people should feel that this person is on this earth just to help people to achieve financial freedom. This person in this earth just to help people to get inspired, find the purpose. This person is there in the life to just play cricket, nothing else. आपने सचिन को देखा है? This is the reason you are alive. वो reflect होना चाहिए. एक ही चीज. Again you will be doing. एक ही चीज. This is why I am alive. That is the kind of intention you need to. So this intention has to be bigger than the business, bigger than the life, bigger than the purpose. If you have that kind of intention, anything you want to achieve, whether 10x business, whether 100 crores AUM, whether 1000 crores AUM, whether 10 lakhs income, whether 1 crore income, anything, 10 crores wealth, you can achieve anything in life if you follow this intention clear. So question to all of you, do you have the clear intention to grow your business by 10x? If your answer is yes, clear intention, whatever intention now you have, keep that in mind. आपका क्या बिजनेस है आगे मैं उसको वापस पूछूंगा. डू यू हैव द क्लियर इंटेंशन टू ग्रो योर बिजनेस बाय 10x? इफ यस, टाइप इन द चैट. अगर कोई भी चीज को शिद्दत से चाहो तो पूरा खाए ना, तो उसे मिलाने में लग जाएगा. तो सुना है ना क्यों बोलता है? एनीथिंग यू वांट टू अचीव, आपको अचीव करने पूरा यूनिवर्स आपके लिए हेल्प करे. अगर इफ यू हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ इंटेंशन, टुडे आई हैड दिस इंटेंशन, आई वांटेड टू सी 300 पीपल इन द रूम. कैन यू सी दिस? हेलो शैलेंद्र जी, प्रवीण जी, All our leaders,
Yes, yes, sir.
if you think you want to have this, it will come. I want to inspire 300 people. This was my intention today. I operated not just today, last 1 week. I did everything that is required. Agar from today's session, even if one person get inspired and one person get impacted, I feel that my life is purpose is solved. मैं जिस दुनिया में आया हूँ, I'm sure many people life will get transformed. What I am giving, मेरा 20-25 साल का जो लर्निंग है, जो स्ट्रगल करके जो जो मैंने सीखा है, बहुत एक्सपेरिमेंट करके सीखा है, भाई इन्वेस्ट करके सीखा है, आपको रेडीमेड आपको बता रहा हूँ. सुपर. सो इफ यू हैव अ क्लियर इंटेंशन टू अचीव, we want to have a like-minded people, and I am planning to create one community of like-minded people who operate their life in the design by default, who operate their life that they want to be growing 10x. Not they don't talk normal नहीं बात करेंगे, they talk extraordinary. People who are crazy, people who want to excel in their life, to people who want to inspire other people. I want to have that kind of people. So if you are that person, Malti, I request, I'm creating this special group. Please put this the chat box mein. Please join this community. Here I want the people who operate that they are born to be in the top 1% club, top 10% club mein rehne ke liye paida hua hai. If you are that person, join this community. So we'll discuss in that community. We'll be sharing lot of things. Any session that we will be doing in the future, I will be doing in this session, you will get free invitation. And if you like, अगर मैं जो बात कर रहा हूँ, if it is making sense to you, then join. And if it's not making sense, that's okay. Because हमारे client में भी ऐसा रहता है कि all clients, there will be some clients, आप कुछ भी करो, आप चाहे तो अपना हाथ काट के उसके हाथ में रख दो, उसमें भी बोलेगा कि तुम्हारा कौन खाला है. You can't impress everyone. You can't impress everybody, because everybody has a different perception, different perspective, different way of operating life. I respect that. I appreciate that. So, but if you feel that मेरे जैसे पागल है आप लोग भी, please join this community. Thank you. All right. So I hope you have joined that community. So if you are in that group, friends, like we want people who operate their life like this, people who don't give excuses. If you give reasons, either you can give reasons or you can give results. People who give reasons, they operate like a victim, and people who give results, they only, people who only give only results, they operate and become victors. By giving reason, you can only get sympathy in life. You will not get sympathy in life. If you want sympathy, keep giving reasons. The reason why I could not do this, because list endless. By giving reasons, my friends, you will only get sympathy from people. You will not get sympathy, you will not get prosperity, you will not get success, you will not get AUM, you will not get clients. Become the person who don't believe in reasons, believe in results. अगर आपको चाहिए वो होके रहे, मैं करूंगा. I will make things happen, whatever it takes, as long as it is ethical and legal to do that. Hello, are you all here, everyone? I hope everyone is here so far. Am I making sense? If you are making sense, please show it thumbs up. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's go ahead. So that's the first I. So let's get into the next part. So next is C. So what is C? Again, my student, you will not answer. Others, open the chat box. Let's time to answer. What is C? Anything you need to achieve? पहला intention चाहिए. Second, सिर्फ इंटेंशन से नहीं होगा. मेनी पीपल इंटेंशन लेकर इतना ये हो जाते हैं कि जोश में आ जाते हैं, जाके ठक्कर मारना पड़ता है, एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है. अगर if you don't want to get into accident, you need to have the second C. That is commitment, challenges, clarity. All people who are answering clarity, they are somewhere कोई ना कोई मेरा session attend किया है. So yes, absolutely you are right. The second C. What I have seen people who have become successful, and they are successful, and because after intention, the next part comes the C, clarity. Because the power of clarity gives power. Clarity leads to action. When it gives power, then power leads to action. आगे मैं बताऊंगा इसका पूरा framework. And power leads to action. And when action leads to reason. When there is an action leads to reason. That is the power of clarity. And let me prove it. Clarity का मतलब. Yes, I can hear you. Yes, Deepak. Deepak, do you drive? Drive करने आता है?
Yes.
So just go to those days when you didn't know how to drive. Okay. That day, okay, if you would have drove, how you would have driven एकदम पूरा confidently without saying, or you would have initially when you were starting to drive, जो learning to drive, so how you used to drive, consciously or confidently? Consciously. Now today do you drive consciously?
अभी तो कुछ देखना नहीं है, अभी तो गियर भी देखना नहीं, क्लच भी देखना नहीं है, तो वो बिल्कुल कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया है.
This
और
is the power of
हैंड आई कोऑर्डिनेशन जो हुआ है ऑटोमेटिकली वो स्मूथ ड्राइव हो रहा है.
मतलब वो हमारे शैलेंद्र जी बताते हैं आपके मसल मेमोरी में चला गया है.
Right.
क्लैरिटी इस लेवल तक गया, इट इज गॉन इनटू योर मसल मेमोरी. एंड आई टोल्ड ना, डिजाइन बाय डिफॉल्ट,
Yes.
दिस इज नथिंग बट पुटिंग एवरीथिंग इनटू अ मसल मेमोरी. एंड मसल मेमोरी में डालने के लिए कॉन्शियसली यू हैव टू फर्स्ट प्रैक्टिस फॉर 30 days, उसके बाद 90 days, उसके बाद कंटिन्यूअसली. एक बार 90 days कर लिया, देन नोबडी कैन स्टॉप यू, नॉट योरसेल्फ. पुटिंग इनटू योर मसल मेमोरी एंड डीएनए लेवल पे डालना है. सो दैट इज द पावर ऑफ क्लैरिटी. अगर इफ यू थैंक यू दीपक. सपोज लाइक अगर आपने एक बार, अगर सपोज कोई बड़ा HNI क्लाइंट मिला, लाइक 1 crore का टिकट साइज का, यू हैव डन द मीटिंग एंड यू गॉट सक्सेसफुली गॉट द डील एंड द क्लाइंट इज क्लोज्ड. अगेन इफ यू गेट 1 crore person, do you feel nervous or do you feel confident? Yes, Cherian, do you feel nervous, do you feel confident?
Yeah, I will feel very confident.
Confident because you already done, you know what you have done in the last meeting, how to operate, what to tell, what not to tell, right?
Yes.
That is the power of clarity. Okay, so इसीलिए सिर्फ इंटेंशन रहने से, इफ यू हैव अ ग्रेट इंटेंशन दैट आई वांट टू क्लाइंब माउंट एवरेस्ट, इफ यू हैव अ ग्रेट इंटेंशन दैट आई वांट टू ड्राइव एरोप्लेन, and if you have the great intent that I want to drive my car at 200 speed, if you don't have a clarity, if you don't have the experience, if you don't have the knowledge, let me tell you, accidents are going to happen. And anybody after having the great intention, why many people's intention die there, it's not that they don't want to do it, it's not that they don't want to become 100 crores, it's not that they don't want to become 1000 crores club. They die because they don't know how to go about. They don't know what all it takes to reach there. Hello, are you all here? So today's session, that's what I'm going to give you clarity. A basic, lot of things you need to learn, but at least basic things, what you need, what are the qualities you need to have. Okay. So that's the power of clarity. Now, so clarity removes confusion. And when we are confusion, what we do, we don't confidently act, we experiment. And when we, experiment doesn't come free of cost. You have to pay high price for it. Anything you have today, somebody had paid the high price. If I am teaching you so confidently today, if I am talking to you so confidently today, because I paid the high price, either through doing it or learning it from the people who have done. So that is the power of clarity. When you have clarity, there is no confusion. And there is no confusion, we don't experiment. And if you experiment, you have to pay high price. And we say in our this thing, I say this, don't follow DDLJ approach, follow LLDJ approach. Many people follow DDLJ approach. वो लोग कुछ नया इन्वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे, नया प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन नहीं करेंगे, नया किताब नहीं खरीदेंगे, नया सीखने को इन्वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे, खाली फ्री वाला ढूंढते रहेगा. किधर क्या फ्री मिल रहा है, एमसी वाले ने किया है क्या, इसने किया है क्या. They don't work on themselves. They don't get clarity. They try to experiment. What is DDLJ? Do and learn journey. करते करते सीखने को कोशिश करता है. करते सीखोगे तो लाइफ निकल जाएगा, बाल सफेद हो जाएगा, बुढ़ा हो जाओगे, बड़ा नहीं होगा. You will not become big. Many people are paying high price. They don't know how much time they are wasting. They are not learning from the people who, if they are 100 crores में जाने, तो people who have done the 100 crores, अगर वो कोई सिखा रहे तो उनके पास सीखते नहीं है जाके. They want freeloaders. एम से अरेंज किए तो जाएंगे, नहीं तो नहीं जाएंगे. एंड पीपल हु आर सक्सेसफुल, पीपल हु हैव बिल्ट 1000 crores एनी फील्ड, पीपल हु आर इन द टॉप 1%, दे फॉलो LLD, दैट इज लर्न एंड डू जर्नी. सीखते सीखते करते हैं. सो लाइफ में इफ यू फॉलो DDLJ, यू विल वेस्ट लॉट ऑफ योर इयर्स, लॉट ऑफ योर मनी एंड टाइम एंड एनर्जी. इफ यू फॉलो LLDJ, लर्न एंड डू, सीखते सीखते करोगे तो यू विल सेव लॉट ऑफ इयर्स, लॉट ऑफ मनी एंड लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी. योर रिजल्ट विल बी, जो आप 10 साल में अचीव करने वाला, लेट मी टेल यू, जो 15 साल में मैंने वॉट एवर 15 years में व्हाट आई डिडंट अचीव, आफ्टर लर्निंग फ्रॉम माय गुरुस एंड माय मेंटोर्स, आई हैव अचीव्ड विद इन द नेक्स्ट 5 years. द इनकम, वेल्थ, बिजनेस, एवरीथिंग. 15 साल में जो मैंने कर रहा था, आई डिडंट नो दिस. सो चॉइस इज योर्स, whether you want to operate DDLJ or whether you want to operate LLDJ. Do and learn journey or learn and do journey. करते करते सीखना चाहते हो, सीखते सीखते करना चाहते हो, choice is yours. I will leave it to you. But clarity is compulsory. If you want to achieve anything, if you want to reach 1000 crores, you should know what all it takes to reach 1000 crores. If you want to achieve 100 crores, you should know what all it takes to get that 100 crores business. And you have to learn from people who have already done, who have paid the price to learn that, to be there. So today I'm going to give you 11 clarity pillars you need to master if you want to grow your AUM by 10x, if you want to be in the 100 crores club, if you want to be in the 1000 crores club, if you want to have that 1 crore income. These are the 11 clarity pillars, especially जो business के लिए related है, हमारे business के related है, जो necessary है. And people who are successful in our business or in any business, कहीं ना कहीं they follow this, they have the clarity and they have the complete clarity blueprint and a business plan. It's not just clarity. They have written plan, written business plan. Everything is written with them. Even if they are not there, somebody can follow that. It's like a manual, business manual they have. So these are the 11 clarity pillars I'm going to introduce. So how many of you are excited to discover this? If you are excited, type in the chat box 11C. Awesome. So here we go. What are the 11 C's? Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir, visible.
These are the 11 C. Must required to grow our business by 10x or to reach 100 crore club or to reach 1000 crores club. Can you see the 11 C's? All the 11 C's, Praveen?
No, sir, it's question mark.
It is designed by default. Okay, it is designed by default. इतना जल्दी दे देगा तो कैसा चलेगा भाई? इतना साल लगा है सीखने को. If you get it so easily, it is left intentionally. सुना है ना? पेपर पढ़ा है ना वो? लिखा रहता है. Left intentionally question. So before I give you the 11 clarity pillars, I will give you in some time. दिल थाम के बैठो. Okay, दिल थाम के बैठो. उससे पहले, before that, we need. I can give you all the clarity pillars. I can give you all the knowledge. We can give you all the insights. It's if you don't have the S, it will be a waste. इतने accumulate कर लिए knowledge, सब जगह पे फोटो निकालेंगे, मोबाइल में रखेंगे, कंप्यूटर में रखेंगे, इतने सारे accumulate किए just by attending training, just by getting knowledge. मेरे साथ भी many people have attended training. All are not successful. Hello, are you all here? Why I am not giving the knowledge first? If you don't have this yes, if I give the knowledge, it will be a waste. Again और एक डस्टबिन में डालोगे लेके जाके. अच्छा लगा डस्टबिन में डालो. 2 दिन याद रहेगा उसके बाद भूल जाओ. I don't want that. My efforts यहाँ पे मैं बात कर रहा हूँ वेस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए. So what is the yes now? Can you type in the chat box? Okay. Self-discipline, success for footprint, strategy, system, sincerity, success. Good. At least नया मुझे भी सीखने को मिल रहा है. Thank you so much for all this new dimensions, new perspective that you all are giving. Everybody is right. But what I felt is necessary, और मेरा जो experience है जो सीखा है is this. Many people have answered that correctly. That is nothing but the next test is nothing but the system. My friend, it's not the knowledge, how much knowledge you have. It's how much you implement. What system do you have to implement that knowledge? That makes all the difference. The reason why I'm not giving you the clarity first, because of I have seen why people don't implement, because they don't have the implementation system, and you don't know the power of system, my friend. This is what I've learned. System, ultimately only the system work. People fail, even I can fail. Anybody can fail. People rely only on people. ये system works. आप नहीं भी रहेंगे अगर system है, work करता है. No question asked. That is the system. Education system, traffic system. इसमें कोई है? अपने आप चल रहे हैं ना वो. Default by design है ना. Design हुआ है system. Default में चल रहा है. System works. People fail. And when growth depends on your personal skill and memory, why many people are not growing, why many people are not scaling, is because they believe they are the hero of their business and they want to do everything themselves. They don't want to delegate. They don't want to hire. They don't want to delegate because they can do this best. And you are thinking that you can do is best, and that is the reason it is worst for your business and your growth. If you try to do yourself, you have only 8 hours, you have only 10 hours to work, you have only 15 hours to work, maximum you have only 24 hours to work. I given the topic how you can grow your business by 10x. The only way to grow your business by 10x, you have only 8 hours. Get 10 people, you can produce that result. 80, 10x. Okay. It caps out. When it runs on system, it compounds. Even if you are not there, because we have a system, हमारे office में every day morning 9:11 को, 9:14. Praveen?
Yes,
9:14
9:14.
9:11.
9:14.
9:14 every day morning we have a system that all our 30-35 team member has to join online and they have to read the prayer that you saw in the beginning, and after that they have to share their learning of the yesterday and then go to the work. Again we have a system, branch meeting. This is a system. We have so many system introduced. Even if I don't join morning meetings, I don't join many meetings, because that's the system I have created. If you create a system, even if you are not there, your system, your business can run, your work can happen. If you do it yourself, everything depends on you. So that is the power of system. So system will help you to, if you want to scale your business, if you want to accelerate your business, and if you want to sustain whatever you have built, you need to have a system. Not just scale and accelerate and grow. Also, whatever you have built, if you're already 100 crores, 300 crores, 1000 crores, if you have to maintain that, you have to sustain that. From the competition race, client छोड़ के जा सकते हैं. A lot of things can happen if you don't service, if you don't sustain. So if you have a system, you can scale, you can accelerate, you can sustain, and also do more business with far less time and effort if you have the system in place. Next, it will help you for a business automation. So system is basically a business on automation. System, if you have a system in place, that is your business is on automation. Otherwise, you are on automation. Because अगर आपके पास business automation में क्या, if your business is on automation, repeatable process replace daily firefighting. Okay. Next, if you have a system system in place, you can achieve money freedom as well as time freedom. Otherwise, if you can definitely, if you are in this industry by 10, 15 years, 20 years agar hoge, you will definitely reach 100 crores, you will definitely reach 500 crores, but you will not have time freedom. The end game is a business that works without you, and for that you need to have a system. System is very very important, and in our company we follow all this system. ये सारे system है client acquisition के लिए. ये some of the system I am showing, only few of them. There are many system else we, and our Shailendra ji is a system expert. He is the person genius behind the system. Okay, acquire and onboard के लिए system है, like LMS system we have, CO client onboarding system we have, manage, serve and review the clients we have, CMS system, client management system, review management system, RMS, daily service tracker, DST, due diligence management system, DDQ system, and we have DJT, daily job tracker, we have DBT, we have WPT, we have MS, management information system, we have for team and team building and scaling your business. To scale our business, we have a TRS, team recruitment system, we have a team induction system, we have a team development system, we have a team appraisal system. So from Monday we are doing team appraisal. Every day we are doing 3 people team appraisal meeting, and we are doing 1-to-1 with our team, annual team appraisal. So we have a team appraisal system, we have entrepreneurship development system, IDS, and we have BVMES, business valuation multiplier and evaluations. अगर आज मेरा business को अगर बेचना है तो क्या valuation हो? Hello, success ऐसे ही नहीं मिलते sir. You have to pay the price. We have invested lot of time, money. पिछले 2-3 साल से ये बनाने में हम टाइम पूरा हम लोग we are working on this, creating this. These are the 16 mandatory system you should master and build if you want to scale, accelerate and sustain and succession of your business. अगर करना है ये आपके पास होना ही चाहिए. My question to you, how many of you have all this system in place? If you have in system, type in the chat box 100%. If not, type in the chat box no system, matlab NS. No system is also a system. Hello, no system is also a system. If anybody joins new person into your organization, if there is no system, they will assume there is no system means yes company में यही system है, I can do anything, I can come anytime, I can do whatever required. So no system is also a system. So which system you want to have? Design system or default system or design by default system, up to you. Look at the answer. So I am not here to sell my program. अगर आपको लगता है ये सारे system को सीखना है, ये क्या होता है, each one what we have already implemented, we are not just for the sake of saying, we have all this in place. Live practically will show all our TPS member over there, they can watch for it, they know we are learning this. Already our bird students, they are already learning this. I am not here to sell. If you want, we have this, we have the bird clarity business, the bird business clarity program where we will teach all this. Detail में एक में हम जाएंगे, हम क्या करते हैं वो दिखाएंगे, पूरा रेडीमेड टेम्पलेट जो सिस्टम में आपको देंगे. अगर आपको चाहिए, you are most welcome to join the our TBC Pro. In a while, I'll share the details. We'll share the details. अगर if you already have, you don't have to. Please continue to do what you are doing. And if you're getting the result and you are happy with that, if that is helping you sustain and build a business even which can run even after you, continue to do what you are doing. And if there is something good, I can also learn from you. We can connect sometime and we can learn. Hello, are you all here, everyone? So how many of you want to learn this system? If you want to learn this system, type in the chat box LTS. All right. So आगे बढ़ते हैं. सो यू कैन ऑलवेज यू कैन ज्वाइन द प्रोग्राम एंड लर्न डिटेल में हर एक ऑलमोस्ट एक सेशन में हम डिटेल में जाने वाले हर एक सिस्टम को practically what we are doing, how we are using, how it is helping us. We are going to give from the practical aspect. Now moving forward, the next is E. Again, intention, क्लैरिटी, सिस्टम भी इन प्लेस है, बट अगर ई नहीं रहेगा ना तो भी प्रॉब्लम. सो व्हाट इज ई? टाइप इन द चैट बॉक्स व्हाट इज ई. यस, ऑलरेडी हरीश हैज रिटन एग्जीक्यूशन, राइट? एनर्जी, यस वीरेंद्र, डेफिनेटली एनर्जी इज रिक्वायर्ड. एनर्जी इज एवरीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग इज एनर्जी. एनर्जी इज रिक्वायर्ड. सो एनर्जी एग्जीक्यूशन के लिए लगता है. यस, एनर्जी इज ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड. एग्जीक्यूशन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. You got we can give you the best system. We'll give you all the knowledge in our TPC program. And we'll give you all the system, we'll introduce. But if you don't take and implement, what is the use of that? Everybody is searching for golden keys, golden system, golden strategies. Where is the tala? Where is the lock? Which is your lock? Is it a golden lock? What is the use of this golden key if you don't implement? Are you all here, everyone? I hope you are learning something. Are you learning something? If you are learning something, type in the chat box LS, learning something, or LST. Super, great. So E is the fourth element is execution. So the success, any success you want to achieve is the result of 4 important steps. You know what are those 4 important steps? Execution, 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 execute. Even if you are half knowledge, चलेगा. करते करते कुछ तो सीख भी लोगे. But if you don't, वो शूज पहन के बाहर नहीं निकलोगे, do you think you will get the result? Best shoe खरीद के लेके आया होगा आपने. You must have purchased the best shoe. the costliest one. What is the use of that? You must have bought the best car. If you don't take it out, what is the use of that? Hello, this is how people operate. They want to accumulate everything. Even clients are accumulating assets. They come to this world to accumulate assets, accumulate wealth. You know how this is how operate people. Either splurge everything or accumulate too much, isn't it? They don't know the definition of enough, and this is our duty to educate them the definition of enough and empower them to live a happy and freedom life. Just tell this, you have enough, don't worry. Yesterday also I did one client meeting. He has got almost 9 CR. I told him you just need 4 CR in this life. If you want to use the remaining part, you have to come back again. जिस तरह आप लाइफ जी रहे हो सिर्फ 4 करोड़ ही चाहिए. क्या करोगे 5 करोड़ का? हाँ, till now he was thinking मनी क्या करेंगे, पैसा ये हो गए तो वो हो गए तो ये हो गए तो. This is how people are operating, my friend. They are accumulating without knowing, or they are splurging. There is no tomorrow left. And that is where our role is. We have to play the role of educating people. So this is very, very important for everything. You know, जितने भी लोग, anybody who got the success, बाकी intention, clarity, system, they are all necessary, important है. But if you, in spite of having everything, if you don't execute, this is where the problem. Execute nahi kare to what is the use? Because any success is a result of action. And let me prove you, and this is the framework. You know, I keep giving example. Any success or result, if you want, any success, AUM, income, client, anything you want to achieve, okay? Success or result is the health, any area, any success you want to achieve is the result of action. That's immediate is action. And how can you take action? What it requires to take action. क्या आना चाहिए? उसके लिए चाहिए action लेने के लिए energy. Hello, if you don't have energy, if you don't have an energy to sit and learn, do you think you will take action? You will learn. You will take action to learn. If you don't learn, you will not get the result. Energy is everything, and everything is energy. The world, everything that is happening around you, in everything, अगर आप कोई भी मोबाइल भी ले लो, माउस भी ले लो, कंप्यूटर ले, everything is running on energy. So energy is everything and everything is energy. If you don't have energy, you can't take action. दुखी आत्मा की जैसे लाइफ ऑपरेट करते रहोगे. If you operate life out of दुखी आत्मा, do you think you will get success? You will attract success. So energy कहाँ से आता है? Feelings. आपका feelings क्या है? Because energy is derived out of our emotions. आपका feelings कैसे, आपके how is your emotion? आपके emotions कैसे, उसके ऊपर डिपेंड होता है. आपके पास energy रहेगा नहीं रहेगा. And if your feelings are sad, then you will not get energy. You will have sad energy. Energy रहेगा, but वो sad energy रहेगा. Result वाला energy, success वाला energy नहीं रहेगा. So feelings किधर से आते हैं? What you require for feelings? Focus. Anything you want to do, focus. Where focus goes, energy flows, and where energy flows, action happens. Where action happens, result follows. अगर focus ही नहीं है, तो feelings नहीं आएगा. When I focus, now I want to do this, automatically all my feelings, all my emotions comes. And when I don't focus, then I don't get any feeling. Hello, are you all here, everyone? So focus is very, very important. अगर focus करना है, तो उसके लिए क्या चाहिए? Intention. And intention कैसा? मजबूत intention, clear intention, do or die attitude intention. Intention ऐसा है कि you have born to do this only. And intention strong होने के लिए clarity. When you have clarity, how to do it, what to do, if I want to reach 100 crores, if I want to reach 1000 crores, what all I have to do, when I have the clarity, what, why and how clear है, तो आपका intention strong होगा action लेने की. So when you have intention, focus goes. When focus goes, feelings arise, emotions comes, and when emotion comes, energy flows, and when energy flows, you take action, and when you take action, results. Simple है. If you are not successful, if you are not getting what you want, if you are not growing, if you are not anything, अगर if you are not getting the result, some element is missing. What is that element? Find out. And again, ये system अगर करना है, follow करने के लिए, action लेने के लिए, execution करने के लिए भी एक system चाहिए. As I told you, design by default. System you need to have in place. Like I will do WRTs every day in the morning, 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock. The first thing when I wake up, पहला जो काम करूंगा मैं ये करूंगा. Then if I want to go for walking, time block, morning में. That's a design by default. And ये system भी you will learn in our TBC program. We call DWT system, WRTS system. We have many systems which we follow to take action. Even execution bhi hone ke liye we have the system. So you need to have execution system, not just only system. You need to have a system for execution also. Then you can take action. If you don't take action, if you don't execute, then you will not get the result. So result milna hai, then you need to take action. If you want to take action, you need to have execution system. So got the clarity about all the 4 elements: intention, clarity, system, execution, which can, if you master this, which can help you to build a business that can grow 10x and can run without you. Everyone got the clarity? Yes. If you got the clarity of all the 4 elements, type in the chat box. Got it. So first is intention, second is clarity, third is system, and fourth is execution. That is ICS. I was waiting. Why nobody is asking? Only ये रामाकृष्णन इज रिमेंबर्स. याद है एक एपिसोड छोड़े थे, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. 11 पिलर्स. क्लैरिटी यू मस्ट हैव. if you want to build your business. So let me introduce. These are the 11 pillars you need to master if you want to build a business by 10x. अगर आपको grow करना है तो before that I want to take few polls. These are the poll I wanted to run. What is your business challenge right now? New client acquisition का challenge है या ticket size increase करने का challenge है? छोटे छोटे ticket size में काम कर रहे हो, servicing and retention का काम कर, this is the problem of servicing and maintaining and retaining the client, or no system, no team, उसका challenge है या no succession plan का challenge है. This is the poll I wanted to run. Ask yourself which is your challenge and keep it with you. Maybe you can type in the chat box what is your challenge in this. And second poll I want to run, your owner dependency level. Because if you do yourself, you can only grow limited. If you build a team, and if you have a team, then you can depend, your dependency level is less. And when your dependency level is less, if you have 10 people, you can go by 10x every year. That 80 hours ka manufacturing hoga aapka, 100 hours you will be operating, not at 8 hours. So highly dependent, moderate dependent, least dependent, not dependent. If your answer is highly dependent, then very important, ये सारे क्लैरिटी पिलर्स, सिस्टम, ये सब सीखना पड़ेगा. ओके, एंड ये सब आपके क्लाइंट, ये सारे सिस्टम में आपका चैलेंज है. बेस्ड ऑन दैट आपको एक्शन लेना पड़ेगा. देन इफ यू डिसअपियर फॉर 12 months, व्हाट हैपेंस टू योर बिजनेस? हैव यू आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन? नथिंग चेंजेस, स्लोस अ बिट, न्यू बिजनेस माइट स्टॉप, इवन एग्जिस्टिंग क्लाइंट कैन एग्जिट एंड कुड डाई. मतलब एग्जिस्ट बिजनेस डाई हो सकता. व्हाट इज योर आंसर? आंसर योरसेल्फ इन द चैट बॉक्स. आप आंसर कर सकते हो, अपने आप को आंसर करो. यहाँ पे आंसर नहीं किया तो भी आपका क्या? नथिंग चेंजेस, दैट मीन्स यू हैव डन समथिंग राइट. बट एनी अदर ऑप्शन, देन यू हैव टू टेक, यू नीड टू मास्टर दिस 11 clarity pillars and create your own clarity document business plan. And also you need to have all the system in place, the system and also execution system. ये master करना. So what are the 11 clarity pillars you need to master to grow your business by 10x? So these are the 11 clarity pillars. So if ये पूरा details में आपको सीखना है, I'm introducing, list कर लो, आपको फोटो ले लो and अपने आप को पूछो, even if you're not joining, that's okay. ये अगर आपके पास है तो आप देख लो. अगर आपको डिटेल्स में इसको सीखना है, बिकॉज एक एक क्लैरिटी पे हम एक एक सेशन स्पेंड करने वाले, एक एक आवर स्पेंड करने वाले, एक एक सिर्फ क्लैरिटी पे. सो इफ यू वांट टू मास्टर दिस, लर्न इन डिटेल, यू कैन ज्वाइन आवर टीबीसी प्रोग्राम. सो फर्स्ट इज क्लैरिटी अबाउट योर मैजिक नंबर, 10x AUM फॉर्मूला. ये 10x AUM अगर पहुंचना है तो अगेन डिपेंडिंग ऑन द साइज, आपका बिजनेस साइज क्या है, व्हाट इज योर बिजनेस साइज, उसके ऊपर डिपेंड होता है. बट लेट मी गिव यू वॉट एवर इज योर AUM. इफ यू ग्रो ईयर ऑन ईयर 30%, you can grow your AUM by 10x in 10 years. अगर if you grow your business by 50%, you can grow your, you can become 10x in just 5-6. आप डिसाइड करो आप क्या कैपेसिटी में ऑपरेट कर सकते. This is how you can grow your income. 30% possible and not possible. Let me tell you, our industry average is 19-20%. Industry is growing by 19-20%. हमारी इंडस्ट्री में 3 वे से ग्रो करने के लिए. There is a new addition, लमसम जो ऐड होता है. There is a SIP. So new lump sum, suppose 10% आप एडिशन करते हो every year, and SIP you add another 10% through SIP, it gets added, and mark to market 10% का एवरेज ले लो. So 30% easily you can grow your business. That's the formula, clarity. And all details में if you join the TBC, we'll go all details में पूरा आपका ये decode करेंगे. आप based on your number of years में how many years you want to achieve, then based on that what all you need to do, grow your business by 10x. Second, clarity about your inspiring vision for the business. Inspiring vision for the business मतलब अगले 5 साल में, 10 साल में, 15 साल में, 20 साल में, where do you want to see your business? That is called inspiring vision. Not normal business. Where do you want to see? Many people, if I ask, they don't have the clarity at all. If you don't have the clarity, if you don't have the intention where you want to reach, then how can you expect that you will reach there? You need to have the inspiring vision for the business. Where do you want to see your business? That is the second clarity pillar. Third clarity pillar, clarity about your inspiring mission and vision of your business. Difference between second and three. This is your business target. Second one is your business target. Where do you want to see your business? कितना AUM, कितना clients, कितने team member आप देखना चाहते हो. Third one is what do you want to do in the society through your business? What impact you want to create through your business? That is clarity about your inspiring mission and vision of your business, your ikigai. We have all this written. और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में सब कुछ हमारे पास पूरा रिटर्न प्लान है हर एक चीज का. क्लैरिटी अबाउट योर इंस्पायरिंग मिशन एंड विजन ऑफ योर बिजनेस, योर इकिगाई, व्हाई यू आर अलाइव, व्हाट एवर आप क्यों इस दुनिया में हो, व्हाई यू आर डूइंग योर बिजनेस. यू नीड टू हैव अ इंस्पायरिंग मिशन स्टेटमेंट एंड विजन स्टेटमेंट फॉर योर बिजनेस. तो ही आप बड़ा बन पाओगे. नहीं तो नॉर्मल ऑपरेट करोगे लेस देन 25 CR या 25 to 50 में, या फिर 100 भी बन जाओगे, बट बहुत बड़ा बन नहीं पाए. क्लैरिटी अबाउट कोर वैल्यूज and code of honor, what makes you who you are. What is code of honor or core values and principles are basically what makes you who you are. Clarity about core values and principles and code of honor. Core values, principles and code of honor. What makes you who you are. आप क्या चीज के लिए बिलीव करते हो, क्या चीज के स्टैंड करते हो. दैट्स व्हाट द फोर्थ क्लैरिटी अबाउट योर आइडियल क्लाइंट्स. कोर वैल्यूज का मतलब क्या है? नो मैटर व्हाट you will not compromise on your principles and your core value. And when we meet our client, we tell our client we don't work with such clients. We would like to work with such clients and we would like to do this. That is called core values. Defining that. Clarity about your ideal clients. Ideal clients का define करना बहुत जरूरी है. What kind of clients you want to work with? If you are doing with everybody default, then you will have 1,000 clients list रहेगा list में, but your business will be hardly anything. Because that top 10% people contribute 90% of your business. आप चाहिए तो गणित करो जाए. 80-20 formula works everywhere. अभी 80-20 पुराना हो गया, 90-10 का. Not only clarity about ideal clients, their demographics, their occupation, their segment, their lives, their behavior, their problems, pain points, मतलब their problems, their aspiration, their interest and needs, points you want to solve. Then क्लैरिटी अबाउट योर इंस्पायरिंग यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड स्टोरीज. आप बाकी सबकी जैसा प्रोडक्ट लेके जाओगे, रिटर्न लेके जाओगे, इन्वेस्टमेंट लेके जाओगे, एसआईपी लेके जाओगे. व्हाट सो स्पेशल अबाउट यू? यू नीड टू हैव अ यूनिक कॉन्सेप्ट, यूनिक स्टोरीज. देन वो भी रिटर्न रेडीमेड अलग अलग सेगमेंट के लिए आपके पास रेडीमेड प्रेजेंटेशन होना चाहिए. तो आपके स्टोरीज होना चाहिए सो दैट you can, anybody you speak, you get that client get convinced. Whether you are RM speaking or whether you are speaking, if you have the standard template, standard presentation, everybody can follow. That should be unique, inspiring, unique concepts and stories you need to have. Clarity about your product offerings and services that we call your business menu card. Do you have your business menu card? What all products you offer? What all services you offer? Business menu card hai kya aapke paas? If you come to us, these are all what you get. We have 21 USPs. We have identified in our business what we are doing. We use those USPs language when we meet our client. That's the reason conversion rate is very high. Clarity about your capacity to scale. You want to achieve 1,000 crores, but if you get 1,000 crores today with your current capacity, do you think you will be able to manage that? You'll be able to operate that. So you need to have the capacity. What exactly कितना AUM आज आप manage कर सकते हो? And if you want to reach that desired AUM, then you need to increase your capacity. The only way to increase your capacity, you need to build team. You need to build system. You need to build process. Without that, you cannot increase your capacity. I told you, you will not get what you desire. You will get what you deserve. And what you deserve is what you have. If you want more, then you need to increase your capacity. Then only you will get. Clarity about your company culture charter and policies. Policies can culture charter for internal, for your team members, management, and also external for your clients. कब क्या होगा तो क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए. Do you have this in place in written? Clarity about your identity and brand. आपने किस तरह अपने आप को पोजिशन करना चाहते हो? What is your identity? What is your brand? Tomorrow if you're not there, आप किस नाम पे क्या ब्रांड से क्या आइडेंटिटी से चलेगा ये बिजनेस. इफ यू डोंट हैव दिस, यू नीड टू इमीडिएटली कॉर्पोरेट योर बिजनेस. You need to have the brand, you need to have the identity and clarity about your business succession and exit. सब कुछ कर लिया. 1,000 crores का business मेरे नाम पे proudly we are saying I am running single solo pruner मैं कर रहा हूँ. What happens if something happens to you? Who will manage that? Have you asked this question? What succession plans you have? What exit plans you have? We are teaching how people can build a company, corporate business, which they can sell if they don't want tomorrow for a valuation. And we are ourselves already doing that. And last but not the least, do you have the complete business clarity document in written, in writing, with all the above clarity, completely defined? If you have done, congratulations, you are doing well, you are doing right, you don't need anybody, you don't need me, continue to do what you are doing. अगर नहीं है, then you have to learn from people who have, who are following, who are doing. अगर ये सब आपके पास है, हमारा कोई भी प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन करने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर कहीं ना कहीं नहीं है तो हमारे पास नहीं, whoever can give you, go and learn from. Customize for our industry. मैंने लाखों इन्वेस्ट किया, बट हमारे इंडस्ट्री के लिए जो चाहिए, nobody gave me the customize. I have invested almost 4-5 years to create that. We have invested almost 4-5 years to create all this thing. You will save years by doing this. So choice is yours. अगर आपके पास है, continue doing. If not, you are most welcome to the BIRD Business Clarity Program, the 10x Business Clarity Program, the TBC. And we follow another framework. यहाँ पे ICAC था, तो we follow this all the ICAC, जो intention, clarity, system and execution. We do it through this SAS blueprint. S मतलब scale up, A मतलब acceleration, ये मतलब automation, S मतलब sustenance and S मतलब success. जो भी whatever we teach in this framework only. Either it should help you to scale up or it should help you to accelerate. Accelerate मतलब fast achieve करने का. Scale up मतलब बड़ा बनने का. And if you want accelerate मतलब fast achieve करने का. Automation which can run without you. System in place. System and process. Sustenance, whatever you have built, how do we manage and sustain that, protect that? And succession, how do we pass on this legacy to next generation, which can run after you also, or you should get a good valuation for. That's the framework we have. And if you want this, you are most welcome. to learn. And this is the scale SAS I have explained: scale up, accelerate, automate, sustain, and succession. This is the framework we follow in our programs. And if you want to, whatever we teach, we'll be teaching all these 5 elements, 5 pillars. How you can scale up your business, how you can accelerate your business, how you can become big, whatever your desired target, and how you can accelerate, achieve that much faster, less time, least time, and how to automate your business by building team, process, and system, how to sustain your business by building team, process, system again, and due diligence, compliance, competition, सारे risk के उसको कैसे protect करना है. And whatever we are doing, we are going to teach. This is what we are doing. If you want, you can follow this. And succession, how you can pass on, or if you don't have anybody to run, you can exit, or you can get professional team. What are the different options available? We'll be teaching you in. And this is not a motivational program. There's not going to be another motivational program. It's a clear, practical program built for advisors and MFDs who are serious about the scale and who wants to build a business which can run without. Agar ye chahiye, then you join this program. If this is not something you're looking for, don't join this program. Total clarity. So all the 11 pillars that we discussed, we'll be going deep. Almost, एक घंटा एक पिलर्स के ऊपर हम इन्वेस्ट करने वाले हैं. And all the 16 system that we mentioned, we'll be discussing, going deep in each system, and all the real execution, जो execute करने के लिए क्या system चाहिए, DWT, WRC, all the execution engine, we are going to discuss about. So if you join this program, this is a chance for your business transformation, your life transformation, from a transactional advisor, product-based advisor, transactional advisor, to a transformational business entrepreneur बनने का ये opportunity आप सीख सकते हो. अगर if you're already doing, all the best. And these are all the modules that we'll be covering in the program. ये पूरा 9-day business transformation roadmap है. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Look at whatever we discussed. Everything will be going deep. Each one. So complete पूरा 9 days का ये program है. और session wise, पूरा module wise. You can see the you can take the picture also if you want. What all we are going to cover in this 9 days का session. We look at this almost हर एक चीज में हम लोग focus करने वाले हैं यहाँ पे. So this is the module, and I am not the alone. We have Dharam sir, who himself, and will along with Dr. Kumaresh and Dr. Raja from Kolkata, they are managing 400 crores plus business already. So they are going to teach you and share their experience, all this, some expertise, their area. And even Nikhil is there, who is over 1,500 crores का business build किया है, manage कर रहे हैं, one of our student, also director of Next Level Education. So you will learn from him. And Dr. Kumaresh ji, who is by choice he has joined this profession, leaving, resigning this doctor जो anesthesia जो doctor practice कर रहे थे वहां से इस business में आए हैं. Shailendra ji, who is a master in the system and processes. He is going to teach you about all the system and processes. Raja is a very good in relationship building, so he will talk about that. And Praveen is master in operation and DWT and execution system. He is a master, so he will be discussing about that. And Prem ji is compliance का master है, so he will be compliance के ऊपर आपको पूरा auditing अगर होगा, सेबी का बड़ा बन गए तो how you should do from now on, even if you're small, how you should be compliant is going to teach. And Jitendra sir is expert in all the certification program required for your employees, and he is going to teach. So these are all the complete team who is going to invest their time, personal time, and teach you and share, not just teach you, because all of them wants to do this by giving back to the community. So this is the team, entire team, which is going to work behind this program. And ये किसके लिए नहीं है? Quickly, this is not for everyone. This is not for people who carry a survival or mediocre mindset. अगर ये ऑपरेट करना तो ज्वाइन मत करो. If you are the famous IKEA, I know everything attitude carry करने वाले person, अगर नया सीखने के लिए ओपन नहीं है, don't join. If you are a start things but never finish them, then if you are that person, don't join. But if you're going to change, commit करोगे, then you join. And if you are all lazy and don't take consistent action, then this is not. Then who should join this? This is for the people who are LNTs and take action. LNT means learn new things, who are open to learn new things, who are hungry to strive, learn, and grow. This program will help them. And these are people who have a bigger vision and purpose in life, bigger than their life. अगर उनका purpose है, उनके लिए program help करेगा. And want a business who wants to build, for those who want to build a business that runs beyond them, and people who want to achieve money freedom plus time freedom, both. We call it them, becoming a freedompreneur. So if you want to become this is for you. So this is our commitment and our manifesto. We have this BIRD program. build, innovate, reimagine, and delegate. Building strong foundation, thinking differently, explore करना, and delegate and excel. आपका 10x capacity increase करना delegate करके. So invest today and scale tomorrow and build value for your business and for you. So with that, I would like to end my session here. Thank you so much for your patience and thank you so much for your attention. And I don't know आप लोग कितने सीखे, but I enjoyed talking to you, interacting with you. I hope that you all have got some value from this program. So these are our contact numbers, our team. If you have any questions, you can reach out to them directly. They will help you. You can call them tomorrow. You can call next half an hour, maximum 10 o'clock तक. आप भी आज अगर बात करना है तो tomorrow after 10 o'clock, if you are calling, don't call them tomorrow. So they will answer.
So I think that was a really energetic session, and hope you all are excited and looking forward for this TVC session. And it is really overwhelming to see you all joined. It's been time, we've taken still. It is our pleasure, and we look forward to have you in this session.
All the best. See you in TBC.
I'll see you in TVC soon. Good night, everyone.